Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol BVTK. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So all this here may look like several days worth of time. It's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to this time frame. I think it does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I've been doing this one on a routine basis, so that's where that green line annotation is coming from. And I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Absolutely monster move today. So a whole lot of updates here need to be made. In fact, from that point, I'm just going to use this green line. Sure, it still pertains, but it's not really relevant anymore. And from a presentation standpoint and not wanting lines all over the place that can cause clutter and confusion, I want to keep this as clean as possible. So yes, 0026 does still pertain, but I'm going to just use this line for a nearer term level of support. And that level would be right here at 0038, which I would call the ideal level of support. I mean, if you were to say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? That would be 0038. Now, if the price falls below it, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But if the price can manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be best case scenario going forward from a quote-unquote bullish strength perspective. Now, though, taking a step back and looking at the grand scheme of things, big picture perspective, it's all about the purple line right here, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword there being moving. So as time goes by, this line is just going to continue to move its way upwards and look something like that. So from a very simplistic point of view, in terms of just gauging the health of the overall move, simply put, as long as the price stays above that purple line going forward, the bulls are in full health, full control, no questions asked. Now, what about levels of resistance? If this upwards move is going to continue, where are some of these potential battlegrounds at? So for this, going to have to scrunch up the chart, and we may have to go to another time frame. I don't know, because it's been a while. So I realize it's getting hard to see, but this is a good problem to have. One more little try. All right, yep, we got to go to another time frame. Good problem to have. So let's see. Let's go to the daily, and let's zoom in like this. So let's see here. Next level of wow, yeah, that's so it just broke above that. Actually, 0042 is the high from, back during the first move in April, and that's right where it closed at. So that'll be the initial area of resistance. It was weakened up today, definitely with the price getting up above it, but because the price could not close above it, 0042 still that initial area of resistance. And then next key level after that, what is that? 005. So 0042, 005, next couple levels of resistance. But as I've been saying and will continue to say, as long as the price just keeps on doing what it's been doing in terms of this, building those higher bases, then the long-term chart will continue to take care of itself. So very nice move today. We'll see how it closes out the week tomorrow. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.